So I was lazy to put on a shirt, so what is I'm just gonna wear my jacket. This is the new jacket I just got from Macpac. It's a down jacket. It's not really feathers. It's just like simulating down. But the thing is, packable siya. Wrap map. Hindi mo siyang gamay nga murag sudanan. I'm too lazy to get the sudanan. It should be in there. So gamay kay sudanan. So I have the old one which is from Kathmandu, and this is good. But I just got this. Wala siya hoodie. Kanahanta ko na yung hoodie. But ang nai-hoodie ani niya kay orange kayo. So I just got this one here. I like it. I like how it is. And yeah. And then also we went to Rebel Gadina with Laura and we got some stuff for her. She's into this fitness thing, like leggings and everything else. So we went there and we got some also fleece jacket for her. Because at the moment we're into like trying to get into improvements health, because we haven't been taking care of ourselves. I haven't been taking care of myself. I haven't been moving around, and I'm just stressing with stuff here wherein I can have sunlight, I can go out and just enjoy the outdoors. So that's what we've been doing. Nangatumig ka ng Marunda Dam, which is here in Melbourne, somewhere in Hillsville. We went there earlier. No, first we went to Rebel, palit mga stuff, and then we went to Hillsville, in which we went to that dam. And that dam there, nakaadto na may kausa. But when we went there today, it was nice. It was foggy. It was foggy today. Whole Melbourne was foggy, and I have some clips I'm gonna show you. But anyway, I didn't film a lot for today. I was excited though, so enjoying today. We went to after we went to Marunda. I can put pictures here of Marunda Reservoir. Like, yeah, these are the pictures. Yeah, that one here. That's the walkway. This one here is like the dam itself, and it was foggy, so this is how it looked. Yeah, that's it. And the thing after that is, well, there was a long set of stairs also heading up the dam if you're parking down below. Anyway, after that, nangatumig ka ng kuan, Beachfront Bakery. We've been there before, but the thing is, ito naman nangatumig ka ng kuan, nangatumig ka ng vanilla slice, French vanilla slice. But I didn't film. Also, I didn't bring my camera because yeah, I was trying to get into the moment, not really film a lot. But in the next few days, I might film a lot then. Anyway, that was good. We had nagkaon ka ng hollandaise, eggs Benedict and hollandaise. It was good, not the best, but it's good. And then we also have pie. So that's how the day went. And then I went back home, had to edit, do all the stuffs. Anyway, I'm showing you my jacket because I like the color. I initially got the one nga na hoodie, and the thing is, it was really pumpkin orange, so bright kasi orange. I was trying to wear it, and then like, comfortably. This one here is like dark orange or like burnt orange, and this looks like the cross-trek. Na inani ang cross-trek, but I didn't get it because I don't want it in my car. I want either a blue or kaning. This is my cross-trek here. It's not a Jeep anymore. Nice car. Anyway, that's it. So that's what happened for today, and I hope I can get more things up tomorrow. Not much for the vlog. I'm just trying to get used to it. The thing is, I'm not used to it. I'm also trying to use this lens here. This is a 20 to 40, and this is 40 mil, which is, yeah, this is 20. So this is 20 to 40. I'm trying to use this camera right now. Trying to use this lens because the thing is, si Google hag shallow depth of field 1.4, and in the end, wala ko yung gamit sa akong lens. This is the best lens for travel and everything else. It's a 20 to 40. It's light, works good in my camera, and I'm not using it. I need to use it well. Anyway, that's it for today, guys, and yeah, hopefully you can get more vlogs coming in. So yeah, I like this jacket also. Warms me up. Ihabuan na ako. Kanina akong isulod lalong pambalay. Kanang pambalay ba? Kanang panglago clothes. Anyway, bye.